students, we have discussed our chapter 10, light, about light, how images are formed, about erect image, about inverted image, virtual image, real image. Now we are going to study our next chapter, chapter 11, general science, video number 8, human eye and colorful world. Now our human eye consists of a eyeball. It is a spherical shaped eyeball, and this diameter of this spherical shell eyeball is around 2.3 centimeter. Around 2.3 centimeter. You have to remember that diameter of our eyeball is about 2.3 centimeter. It is like a spherical body. And after that, different types of parts of our human eye have. This part we are going to discuss about this parts, the functions of these parts and definitions of these parts. Now here, right side of this, here, is a diagram of human eye. I have drawn a diagram. Some parts also I level here. Here see, this part is called aqueous humor. Pupil is here, iris is here, cornea is here, crystalline lens is also here, vitreous humor also here, optic nerve also here, retina also here, and ciliary muscles also here. So what is retina? Retina is, here see the eyeball, the inner lining of this eyeball is called, this lining, inner lining is called retina, and it is a light sensitive screen. What is retina? It is a light sensitive screen where the image is formed. So we can see an object after the image is formed inside our eye, and this image is formed at where? Retina. How we can see an object? After falling light on that object and reflect back to our human eye, then we can able to see an object. Now this object is formed, this image is formed at where? Retina. And after that, cornea. Where is cornea? You see this lining, the outside lining of this human eye is called cornea. And cornea is a thin membrane. It's a very thin membrane through which light enters the eye. I have told you, we can see an object after light enters in our human eye, after reflection of that from the object. This light enters through this cornea, this outer line of this human eye, and this light enters through this cornea. Cornea is a thin membrane through which light enters the eye. And after that, crystalline lens. So what is crystalline lens? This portion is called crystalline lens. And crystalline lens, it merely provides the finer adjustment of focal length required to focus objects at different distances on the retina. So focus, you know about the camera, how camera works, how mobile camera works, DSLR camera, different types of camera works. Suppose your eye is here and two objects are placed at different distances from the eye. So at this distance, this one have some different focal length. To see this object have different focal length. If we see this object has also different focal length. Now when we use a mobile camera, you have generally use a mobile camera to capture a photo. So there, if you focus at this object, then the backward object is blurred. You have noticed about that. So this is because of the focus. We are focusing on that object, not this object. So similar types of work is done by our crystalline lens here. So it adjustment of focal length. So which object we have to see? This crystalline lens focus on that object and blur the backward objects, and we are able to see the front object is very. We are able to see the front object is cleanly. So this crystalline lens provides these functions. So after that, I have already told you that our human eye is like a camera. And after that, iris. It is a pronunciation. It is not iris. The pronunciation is iris. So iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. So where is our pupil? This is called our pupil. Inside your eye, black colored portion is called marble like black colored portion is called pupil, and the structure of this size of this pupil is controlled by what? Iris. So how it controls? Sometimes when after staying outside when we enter your house, sometimes darkness is there. So darkness is there, that means what? When darkness is there, we are not able to see an object. So how we see the object? Our pupil size is increasing, and this function is done by what? Iris. When the high intensity of light is fall on our eye, then what? The pupil size is decreasing. When small intensity of light is fall on our eye, then pupil size is increasing to see the object. Okay, so this function is done by what? Iris. So iris is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. It regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. So these are some functions on some organs, and after that, after formation of image at retina, image is formed at retina, and after forming this image at retina, these signals go through optic nerve to our human brain, and human brain these images make a different types, that is real image, or human eye makes real image and inverted. Always remember, our human eye makes real image and inverted. And this inverted image after entering our signal, after this signal entering our human brain, and this inverted image turns into erect image and provides us to see an object very cleanly. So this is the functions of retina, cornea, crystalline lens, and iris. So after that, we will discuss some defects of human eye at our next video. Thank you.